Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the current Windows 11 version so you know your target. Once done, free roughly 20% disk space and connect power because updates can stall without margin. Make sure to back up critical files. A simple file history or OneDrive sync is enough. Then open Settings, go to Windows Update, and click Check for Updates now. This starts the official download path. You avoid third-party tools and keep system integrity intact. You let Windows download the update and monitor progress, because interruptions can corrupt files. Once the package appears, address optional feature prompts and remove incompatible apps that block installation. Use Programs and Features or Settings apps. Make sure Windows Update shows ready to install. If it does, click Restart Now. During the restart sequence, the system applies feature updates. This can take 20-60 minutes depending on hardware. Be patient and avoid. After reboot, you verify the new Windows 11 version in Settings System so you confirm success. If the update failed, run Settings System, troubleshoot other troubleshooters, and pick Windows Update. That often fixes corrupted components. Make sure to check Device Manager for driver errors and roll back or reinstall drivers that show warning icons. Finally, restore any backed up files if necessary. Keeping a recent backup lets you recover quickly without losing important data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.